Hello friends, most welcome in my YouTube channel Gadget Duets. Hope you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you didn't subscribe the channel till now, then subscribe it and press the bell icon to get update of new videos. In this video, we discuss about a Poco M3. Everyone know Poco M3 launched it in India. So first, we'll tell you what the price of Poco M3 in India. Poco M3 price starts at rupees 10,999 in India. There are major highlights of Poco M3. Poco M3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC. Secondly, it comes with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and there are two storage variant only. Third, it packed in massive 6000 mAh battery. So these are the major highlights of Poco M3. So now we talk further more about Poco M3 brand. Poco has been an independent brand for an year now and has launched a survival model across a multiple series. The M series sits in the popular sub 15,000 rupees segment in India. And in order to stay a successful Poco has just brought in a new Poco M3. As its name suggested, the Poco M3 is successor of the Poco M2. The price of Poco M3 starts at 10,999 for base model 64GB variant and the 128GB variant price in India 11,999. So we talk about major key features of Poco M3. Display size of Poco M3 6.53 inches. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. Front camera comes up with 8 megapixel and rear camera comes up with 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and plus 2 megapixel. RAM 6GB, storage 64GB and battery 6000 mAh battery. Operating system Android 10 and resolution 1080 into 2340. Hope you like the video. Then press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it.